Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to public your TikTok account. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the three lights icon at the top. And then in here you just click on the setting and privacy. And then in here you just click on the privacy. And then in here you can click on this one. And then in here you can click on the switch and finish. So that's how to switch to public, that's how to switch Free Fire to public on your TikTok apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.